Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another video on how to download Instagram data, shared posts, comments and history. If you'd like to export your photos, videos, archived stories, comments, messages and much more, then you can easily do this on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end in order to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Instagram application. Make sure you're signed into your Instagram, and once you are, go to your profile by tapping on your image icon in the bottom right. At the top right, tap on the hamburger menu, and at the bottom there will be a pop-up where you'll be able to see the settings button. Tap it on. Inside your settings option, select security. Under data and history at the bottom, tap on download data, confirm your email address or if necessary enter the email address and tap on request download. Now you'll need to go ahead and enter your password for your Instagram account, type it in and tap next at the top right. Now the request has been made. Instagram has now started creating a file of things that you've shared on Instagram, and you'll receive an email link to the particular email address that you have linked to your Instagram. And it might take up to 48 hours to collect all of this data and send it to you, so you'll need to make sure to check your spam inbox if you can't see it directly on your inbox. Tap on done and that is it. Make sure to check that inbox since you might receive an email from Instagram. So that is how you can easily request to download Instagram data, your shared posts, histories and comments. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.